Hello, this is Nikolaos Adamou. I'm a professor here at the Borough of Manhattan Community College, and I teach several courses, among which the class that I will do with you this term, Business Organizations and Management. I have strong interest in this field. I have both practical and theoretical experience in management, administration, and leadership. Also in organizational matters and a theory of organizations. For this semester, this course, the book that we are going to use is not a regular traditional textbook. Instead of that, we will use the book called Reframing Organizations by Bolman Deal. This book is in its 6th edition. From the 1st to the 6th edition, there are a lot of things that they stay constant, but also a lot of things that they change. The basic ideas are those that they stay constant. The examples change from an edition to the edition, and this is what we will focus on, both the ideas and the examples. The way the book is organized is based upon 4 frames. The reason that we have different frames is because we want to look at organizations from different aspects, different perspectives. The first frame is the structural frame, how things are organized, why they are organized like this, and what's the evolution of the organization. The second part, the second frame, would be the human relations frame, how humans fit in any organization. The third frame is how humans behave. They agree or they disagree, and they resolve the problems they have. That's the political frame. The last frame is how symbols are involved in the organizational matter. Why and how we use myths or paradigms. How do we have values? What is the purpose of an organizational culture, and why organizational culture is so important? What is a theater, and why we use the organization as a theater? Finally, we'll put all these 4 frames together and we'll have a synthesis. And as we have a synthesis, we are going to focus on what is the role of leadership. The leadership is an important characteristic that we need to see in any organization. And a leader is not the one that just holds a given position of authority. A leader may not have any authority position. What is the difference between a leader and a manager? Is an extremely important question that we have to ask. What is the difference between an administrator and a manager? Is also an interesting aspect we would like to examine. We want to look at the whole analysis from 2 different points of view. We want to see the physiology of the organization, how things should work. And then we have to ask, do they work like this? Do we have any pathology in organizations? The same way we have pathology in medicine. What is going wrong? And how do we fix it? As a result, when we will talk about management, I have very strong interest to look at what is happening with the absence of good management, with mismanagement. And the same thing with the leadership. Do we always lead, or sometimes we mislead? These are the main points that we will focus in this particular course. We are going to use the book, which, as I said before, it's not a regular textbook. And what I would like you to do is I would like you, as you go on and you read, to start thinking based upon the material that we have. First, I would like you to underline all the words that you do not know and go to the dictionary and learn that additional vocabulary that we do not have right now. Then I would ask you to go on and outline the material of the chapter and have it in a nice written form that you will know exactly what is going on. As we achieve that particular point, then I will start posing questions that not necessarily have answers in the book, but because of the material that I read and I thought, I can be able to think of my own, and I would like you to think of your own. And this is what we will try to achieve. As a result, I'm sure we're going to have a very interesting and unusual, I may say, semester. I wish you good luck, and I welcome you to my class. Thank you so much.